This is a short and sweet video of lifelong pressure washer. What you need, what you don't, what you need to keep in mind, all things will be covered. So after getting so many views on my Dylect Pressure Washer video, I thought of covering this as well. So you need this two quick release attachment in order to connect this machine with your tap. The link to buy all the spare parts will be given in the description box below. So this is a twist type fitting, it goes like this, and the other one just slot in. The gun has an extended nozzle which is a pretty long one, and this is how you connect the other end to the water tap. Now as you can see the condition of the bike before wash. Before starting on the motor, make sure you have continuous flow in the gun, only then turn it on, otherwise the motor will damage due to vacuum inside the system. As you can see, after twisting the nozzle you can adjust the pressure, and I highly suggest you to use it at lowest minimum pressure because it's a very dangerous machine and very powerful as well. If it's being sprayed at the full pressure, it may damage the plastic parts or the paint easily. Now it's a good time to compare this pressure washer machine from Lifelong with my old and trusted Dylect pressure washer machine. So first of all, both the machines has engine oil in it, so it requires some maintenance, but as of now, after using 2 years continuously, I don't feel any issues with my Dylect pressure washer. But this Lifelong pressure washer was replaced under warranty already within 2 years, so you can expect a better life expectancy out of your Dylect machine. So I'll suggest you to buy Dylect over this. Not only this machine is noisier, but it is also not very durable. So if you are looking for a good purchase, go for the Dylect. Now let's see how the foam cannon works on this machine. This is just a push type mechanism, and you have to hold this a small hole by your left hand, only then it will spray the foam on it. It's very tiny little bottle, so if you're washing your scooter or motorcycle it may be sufficient, but if you're washing your car with it, it definitely is not sufficient. And for the shampoo I use Wavex shampoo, and for all the material I use and I recommend is given in the description down below. If you purchase from that, this channel is benefited by a little bit of revenue, so go ahead and buy that to support this channel. And I'll see you in the next one. If you have not watched my video on Dylect, go ahead and watch it. Thanks for watching.